Assalamualaikum and you are watching Reality Check, the show where data speaks the truth while society pretends not to hear it. And let's move towards our today's stories. I am Ramna Singh. आज का एपिसोड दो कहानियों पर मुश्तमिल है. Tonight, the cricket world holds its breath as one of the biggest rivalries in sports hangs in the balance. Pakistan versus India, and it is more than a match, it's an emotion, pride, and identity for millions. With high level talks underway and a decision expected soon, the question is simple: will the game be decided on the field or off it? And a scandal that shook the global world and the discussions about Epstein related documents gather pace. Social media users are debating names, links, and all the association, while questions about power, influence, and accountability resurface again. Pakistan is ready to face India in a high-stakes T20 World Cup match. ये सिर्फ एक क्रिकेट का मैच नहीं, ये जज्बा है, पहचान है और पाकिस्तान का नाम है. The biggest question in world cricket right now is finally moving towards an answer. Will Pakistan take the field against India on February 15th at the ICC Men T20 World Cup 2026? After days of uncertainty, there are strong signs of progress now. The Bangladesh Cricket Board has formally urged Pakistan to play the marquee clash while the discussions are underway between PCB, ICCI officials and the national leadership. Sources say that a breakthrough could come within the next 24 hours, and the situation began when Bangladesh dropped from the tournament after requesting its matches be moved out over ICC over security concerns. The ICC rejected these claims and replaced Bangladesh with Scotland, and Pakistan responded by announcing it could play the World Cup but planned to boycott the India match in solidarity with Bangladesh. Pakistan responded by announcing it would play the World Cup but planned to boycott the India match in solidarity with Bangladesh. मगर पाकिस्तान का पैगाम हमेशा मुस्बत ही होता है. हम खेलते भी हैं और दिल भी जीतते हैं. Now the stakes are higher than ever. If Pakistan does not take the field against India, it would receive 2 points under tournament rules. Epstein files debate grows as online posts mention Ambani and Modi. A mansion in New York once stood like a palace of secrets, 7-floor tall, strange art on the walls, sculptures that felt disturbing rather than beautiful, shelves filled with rare books that raised eyebrows. ये न्यूयॉर्क की हवेली सिर्फ 7 मंजिलों का मकान नहीं, ये राज और ताकतवर लोगों का अड्डा थी. This was not a film set. Powerful people walked through those doors. They dined, they laughed, they socialized as hidden cameras allegedly watched from above. The house belonged to Jeffrey Epstein, the financier who moved into elite circles, a man later exposed as a convicted sex offender linked to trafficking and abuse of minors. Photos once displayed inside showed Epstein posing with global leaders, billionaires, and celebrities. Over the years of many, those figures said their contact with him was limited or misunderstood. पैसे और ताकत का सिस्टम जो गिल्टी को बचाता है और मासूम को दबाता है. Now, new waves of documents are being discussed online. Supporters of transparency claim large batch of files have surfaced. These papers and emails are said to mention politicians, business leaders, and royals from several countries. Some names trending in social media debates include major officials and figures from the United States, Europe, the Middle East, and even India. It is important to note, being named a contact list or email does not itself prove wrongdoing. Many people met Epstein before the full scale of his crimes became widely known. Several have denied any involvement in any illegal activity. ये सिर्फ एप्स्टीन की कहानी नहीं, ये ग्लोबल इलीट, इन्फ्लुएंस और प्रोटेक्शन का सच है. ईमेल्स और डॉक्यूमेंट्स अब सरफेस हो रहे हैं और दुनिया हैरान है कि कैसे इतने पावरफुल लोग इतनी घिनौनी चीज़ें कर सकते हैं. अंबानी का एप्स्टीन से कॉन्टैक्ट और मोदी का नाम भी फाइल में है, लेकिन अब सवाल ये है कि क्या ये सिर्फ सोशल या डिप्लोमेटिक था. Still, the question refused to die. How did one man build such influence? Why were there so many high profile individuals in his orbit? And why did he use this information as a leverage? Witnesses have claimed that Epstein recorded guests inside his properties. Law enforcement raids did recover cameras and storage devices. Now, speculation has grown that compromising material may have been used for blackmailing, and authorities have never publicly confirmed a global blackmail operation, but the theory remains widespread. Attention has also fallen on his powerful associates. British royal prince Andrew faced civil allegations and later settled with a lawsuit while denying those claims. Business leaders like Bill Gates have admitted meeting Epstein, but they regretted the association at this point. Other public figures have issued a strong denials or said that meetings were brief and highly professional. In India, online discussions have highlighted alleged email exchange between Epstein and the well-known personalities in India. अंबानी और मोदी के नाम भी इन लीक्ड फाइल्स में आए हैं और ये बात सोशल मीडिया पर अब तेज़ी से वायरल हो रही है. Those individuals or their representatives have pushed back, saying interactions were diplomatic, social, or taken out of context. No court has convicted them of crimes connected to Epstein. At the center of all it is a larger fear that wealth and power can shield people from facing consequences, that victims struggle for years to be heard. Epstein died in jail in 2019 and authorities ruled it as a suicide. Many people still doubt that as a conclusion. His associate Maxwell was later convicted for helping recruit and abuse underage girls. She remains the only person serving a long sentence directly tied knots to the trafficking networks. So the story is no longer just about disagreed financier, but it's about the system of influence, about access, about who gets protected and who gets ignored. Documents may continue to surface, allegations will keep circulating, but real accountability depends on evidence tested in the court, not just with the names in the headlines. So now all eyes turn to the final call that could shape this World Cup and cricket history. Fans want competition and not controversy, and a contest settled with bat and ball. If Pakistan steps onto the field, that it would not be just a match, it would be a moment of pride, passion and sporting spirit watched by the entire world. As debates grow older, it's important to separate verified facts from the online claims. Being mentioned in documents or contact record does not itself prove the wrongdoing, and legal accountability depends on the evidence tested in the court. The story remains a symbol of how power operates behind the closed doors and why transparency and justice still matter today. I am Ramna Said, signing off from Reality Check. While silence ends, the truth begins. Catch you in the next episode. Allah Hafiz.